During CES, we stopped at the Allegiant Stadium, the home of the Raiders, specifically for the TCL party. There were tons of great eats, drinks, and treats available at this experience for all in attendance. During the event, there was DJs, fun activities, photo ops, and a beautiful view of the stadium from the club level. Whether you played the night away, rubbed shoulders with sportscasters, or danced at the DJ's dance floor, there was so much to do. They even had demonstrations of their NXT Paper tablets, phones. And even their televisions. And if you want to check out their 88-inch QD-MiniLED, it was on display for anyone in attendance. If you're a fan of the Raiders, you missed out not being at this party.